This one is a 1969 Smith-Corona Galaxie Deluxe. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. The color is charcoal gray. The margins are set right behind the paper area, and it's got a paper tray right there. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. You hit the line space here, gets you back to the beginning, and it skips 1, 2, or 3 spaces. You can switch it from single to double to triple with this lever here. We're going to keep it on single. And that's all the keys. They all type nice. None of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence real quick. Very nice type of machine. You can type as fast as you want on this. One of my more popular models. The print is really nice too. This is probably one of the models I would use if I was a writer. Just because it's easy to type on and the print looks really good. To pull the paper out easy, you just flip this switch here on the right side and it releases the rollers so you can pull it out easy. And also load thicker paper in there, like cardstock or carbon copy. It's got a backspace here. Works great. Power space, pretty cool function. Got a tab. Right now there's no tab set. We'll set one right there. And it stops at that tab. You could set it anywhere on the platen. And to clear it, you just hit the clear. And now you don't have a tab. When you get to the end of the margin, it stops you from typing. If you need to finish a word, you hit margin release, and it allows you to type past that margin. Got a touch control right here. The lower, the less resistance when you hit the keys. The higher, the harder you got to hit the keys. Open the hood, you got the spools, and the direction control right here is where my thumb is. You push it in and it'll pull to this side. As you can see, it's starting to pull, and you pull it towards you, it'll pull to that side. All the ribbons on this side, brand new ribbon, so we want it pulling to that side, so keep that pulling to that side. And that's about it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.